Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to create a seller account on Alibaba.com and start making money from selling on Alibaba.com. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your regular Alibaba shopping app. After you open up your Alibaba regular shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on my account right here. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Click on start selling on Alibaba.com. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter your phone number right here. So by default, your country code is going to be selected right here. Or better still, you can click on here and choose your country code. So these are countries that can sell on Alibaba.com. Okay. Next thing you want to do, when you choose your country code right here, go ahead and enter your mobile number right here. I'm going to enter my mobile number straight up. Having entered your mobile number, go ahead and enter your company name. Go ahead and click on submit. Thank you, and our sales will contact you soon. Click on get started. Now here you go. How to start selling on Alibaba.com. So you can read more detail right here. Start selling. Open an account, post your product, create a storefront, reply to inquiry, protect order as and payment. Manage account, stay connected with buyers, nurture your relationship with optimized sales, grow your business, hone in on keywords, showcase products, response to RFQ, exhibit at online trade show, join site-wide promotion. It's that simple. So go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. And you have to wait for Alibaba to get back to you via your email to continue and proceed with your seller account. However, in my next future tutorial, I'm going to post tutorial about this in order to complete the account registration. If you don't want to miss out about the tutorial on account registration, consider to subscribe to this channel. If you still have questions for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.